Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Good time to all of you. This is Halima Akhtar in front of you. Welcome to my another video. Today I want to share with you my daily routine. So let's get started. First of all, I get up early in the morning. Then I brush my teeth and I wash my face. Then I do ablution. After that, I pray Fajr Salat. Then I read Holy Quran sometime. After that, I read my university book. Then I cook breakfast for my whole family. After finishing cook, I have breakfast. Then I go to my freelancing institute. My freelancing institute named Gurugiri. This institute is too much better. I have admitted there because of my bright future. I want to be successful freelancer. If you want to do good things, you can admit freelancing institute, or you can do online class. You can watch YouTube video. Then you can learn. Okay, after that, I have come my home. Then I take bath. After that, I pray Johor Salat. Then I have eating lunch. After that, I have take some nap. Then evening time, I have pray Asr Salat. Then I gossip with my husband or my family members. After that, again I pray Maghrib Salat. Then again I cook for my family. After that, we have take dinner. Then I have do ablution and I have pray Isha Salat. Then I make my bed. After that, I sleep. So thank you very much for listening my daily routine. Please like, subscribe and comment please. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much for listening.